Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix Ghost Touch problem on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. First, most Ghost Touch problems are actually coming from newly installed screen protector, which is not compatible with your phone. But usually it's not compatible. There is usually some sort of debris or moisture or other things between the screen protector and the normal screen. So what you want to do, you want to simply remove the screen protector, and then you want to take some sort of fabric. For me it's something like this. You want to simply lock your screen and very slowly clean it from any kind of said debris or moisture, just like that. If you are encountering some issues with any kind of hard debris, you could potentially soften it via some sort of dedicated fluid that is dedicated to cleaning screen, since normal water will most likely and probably break your screen, which we of course don't want. And after we have done that, we can always simply go into our settings, scroll all the way down and check for system updates. Since we already have the latest system version, it doesn't mean that you have the latest system version, and who knows, maybe in the latest version they had some sort of bugs fixings that fixed touch bugs which you may have encountered. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.